Welcome! In front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to limit charging to save battery on this laptop. First of all, turn off your laptop, then turn it on by pressing the power button once and then repeatedly press F2 button until you see the setup menu on your screen. Once you see preparing to enter setup in the top right corner of your screen, you're gonna stop pressing F2 button. Here you have to go. You can use your touchpad. Using your touchpad, expand the power management menu and go to primary battery charge configuration. Now, if you want to limit your battery charging, select custom. And then here in this field, using top and up and down arrow icons, select the battery level at which you want the battery to start charging. So once your battery reaches below 50%, your laptop will start charging, and it will stop charging at 90% unless you change this value to some other value. For example, if we change it to 80, that means that our laptop's battery will only charge to 80% and then stop charging our computer. To apply changes, click Apply and click OK. To exit this menu, you have to press Exit. And in my case, I'm not gonna save changes, so I'm gonna select no. But if you want to save changes, select yes, and your new settings will be applied. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.